it's me again. Birthday turn up with Peter Gay. Whoop whoop.
It's my birthday weekend, so we're
Birthday,
going
bitch.
to be doing
Fuck
a
it
whole
up because
bunch.
it's your birthday, bitch. Fuck it up because it's your birthday, bitch. That's an actual song.
It's my birthday. Who's more turned up than me?
Ooh, we about to get lit tonight. Eat some Jamaican food and Peter Gay's
So-
gonna do poetry.
So
You know,
we
let me shut
at the Grill. It's a restaurant in the city, and then we're going to be going the weekend. So we're going to do
Very
some
cute man
poetry.
in there. I'm just gonna look comments.
I cannot take her seriously, guys. It's my birthday. Why is she more crunk than me? That's how old I am. I said,
Yo,
crunk.
as soon as she gets some food in her system, she's gonna be good. I feel like I'm taking over your vlog. Alright, I'm done talking. I'm done.
Take over.
I'm done. Guys, I'm gonna make sure Pizza Gay is as lit as I am by the time this night ends. Because it's her birthday. Oh my god! Woo!
I can't with her. Anyway, it's my birthday, so I'm going to have some fun this weekend. It's going to be a three-day activity. So it should be interesting. Let's see.
That's what goes to the record. Like, shut up, it's her birthday. Stop riding your motorcycle.
Guys,
have balloon
she
and
hasn't had a drink yet. Okay, this is sober. This is sober.
This is me. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry.
Anyway, we'll see how this works.
Google history breathe. Running laps around my mind like all damn week. I can't tell damn well she's plenty fatigued. And even though her bad physique be full well enough to fuck up that fashion week floor, she flips mode on that shopping mall cashier rating racks talking about give me some more. Her
Means is your mother made a mistake. You know that, right? I'm gonna fix you right. Make you good, black girl, in good American school. Teach you good English. You can be good, black girl. Don't ask too many questions, black girl. Don't challenge the tongue when it reads the blackness off this white paper. Girl, he says, fourth row, last seat.
No. Okay. So we have a little tradition. Don't be scared. Alright, so this side of the room is gonna be Vert. And this side of the room is gonna be Jen. Y'all ain't listen to the instructions. Vert, Jen. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Jen.
Hey guys, it's after 12, so it's officially my birthday. Something I've never done before. I do post it on my blog, but I've never gone on stage and did any of my poems. So be nice. So it's called Confession Chronicle, my membership. My membership was revoked at 19. I remember the golden days when I was blissfully enjoying the perks of being a member. For many years, I resubmitted an application, and every year was rejected. So I stopped sending. I thought I would be the lucky one who gets a second chance. Longing to belong, I kept my feelings inside, never exposing that I was missing my membership. The good old days when it was okay to be vulnerable, needy, special, but cherished. I thought being on the outside meant I was protected, so I grew nothing. I became the observer, watching and watching. Then I started to create things in my head that was never possible. The possibility, I told myself, because there's more to life than its membership, right?
Hey.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday.
Thank you guys.
with my sweater, why didn't you jacket? We could have had it. I'm taking this as not asking.
You're not seeing this again is not asking. That diamond supply was purchased from the pressure you put us under. That Nike jacket was bought after I had to check you. Stop appropriating our culture. Stop trying to trick it, you snickets. Don't think I'm serious, but these unfortunate events have left me with no choice but to get violent. You took my sweater when it was sunny, and now you're about to get these claws. Girl, give me my sweater back. In fact, give me every single thing you took when you were sweating it.
Give it up for everybody you heard tonight. Give it up for yourselves for staying home. Give it up for Peter for her birthday. Want y'all to get home safely. Be nice to each other if nobody else will.
So guys, as you can see, I finally did it. Can't believe I did
Shout
it.
out to the birthday girl that killed the stage. She
So-
went up first.
I conquered my fear and got it off my bucket list.
And she did not itch, guys.
And
it was good.
I was nervous at first, but then when I got up there, it was just like, get it done.
And she was not the worst one. There was a guy
Yeah, there was a
reading
guy.
fucking memes
He was,
as a poem.
and then there was a girl. There was a guy that was really nervous.
Yeah, he was shaking.
So I was kind of proud of myself that I handled it very well. But getting on stage and having people look at you while you perform is not easy. So people who do this all the time,
There, kudos to them.
kudos to them.
Because I couldn't have done it.
But felt great and it's a happy moment.
Happy
Yes.
birthday!
It's my birthday officially.
Happy birthday!
I know, right? So,
Happy birthday!
yep.
On to
Yeah.
greater things tomorrow.
So
Big things that go on. Bashments tomorrow. Not tomorrow, today.
we're gonna-
Bashment today.
Well, we're gonna end right now. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. So I still have 23 more hours to go with my birthday. But I need sleep. So next scene is gonna be still the same day, but morning. So yeah. You ready for it? One of my favorites. So guys, we just saw Wrong Sale. It was really good. Some more psych, so I got a signed copy.
And the photo.
And I got a photo. And then, who's Springsteen just pop out of the SUV and we all screaming and acting a fool. But my birthday turned out to be memorable. So, can't complain. So what the heck is all of this?
Glad that we didn't go into the Marriott because we went on an elevator.
Guys, not sure what that is, but pretty interesting artwork.
Just on the side,
Gotta take your
Sorry guys, I have to take a picture.
Gotta that photo.
Do it for the snappers.
So now, as usual, gotta find somewhere to eat.
and some alcohol so I could start turning up. So that's the plan, guys. Woo woo! Guys, day 3, and we're tired. We mash up. What time did we come in last night? It wasn't even that late. Yo, it was late for me, alright? I'm an old woman. It was late. Yeah, we were out till like 4. But we were out all day pretty much yesterday. Yeah, the whole day. So, needless to say, we're beat. Don't know. It's tired. About to go eat some food. Yeah. You know, that's what we do. That's what we do. Hey guys, so we are gonna end the vlog. We had a bit too much mimosa, so we're nice, but I had a great birthday weekend, and I'm so happy that I did the poetry party a little bit, saw Broadway play, and that was this one for too long. Yeah, guys, it was but fun. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment. Like if you like her. Woo! Like me. Anyway, thanks guys, and bye. Bye.